Welcome back. So today I'm back with another blind box unboxing, and this one is Snuggle with You by Hachi Pupu. And I wanted to try this blind box because I have heard a lot of good things about this. I love how beautiful the box is. It's all pastel colored and really love the design on the box. The Hachi Pupu illustration made on there. It looks really pretty, and all of the Hachipupu here are like named after animal. So here's tiger cub, puppy, and then grumpy crocodile, polar bear, reindeer, bunny, sheep, squirrel, and then there's fox, koala, piggy, and then penguin. I think I like all of them, but I would like a reindeer or a penguin. I think penguin is the most famous among this line. So yeah, it's a very popular line from Hachi Pupu, and yeah, that's the reason why I wanted to get this one. So it feels a bit heavy. I'm not sure. It might have crocodile. Just by shaking, I can say it's not shaking much, but it's heavy. This is how the plastic wrapping looks. It looks very adorable with Hachi Pupu like illustration on it. It looks very cute. It feels like it has crocodile. It feels like the face of a crocodile. Let's see. I won't mind having a crocodile Hachi Pupu. So yeah, even the crocodile looks cute. So yeah, it's a bunny. I don't know. It's a bunny. Is what I got. Yeah, it's a comfy bunny. So it's a cute one. Many people wanted to get this one, but yeah, I am happy that I got this one. I'm not sad or anything, but yeah, I did get a good one. So here's the eye. He looks really cute. He looks very adorable. And those eyes are really realistic. That's the reason maybe Hachi Pupu is really famous. That is what I got. Bunny. He looks really beautiful. I really love the feet. There's Pop Mart written, and he is wearing actually boots, and he's like in a cute bunny position. The way bunny sits, he's like that, and really love those tiny hands and that cute little cape. And the quality of the fur is really nice. It's like very soft, and there's the embroidery of the eyes and the nose for bunny, and those cute little bunny ears. The ears are actually wired. So yeah, he looks really cute. I'm not mad about it, or yeah, this was really unexpected. It looks like he's looking into my soul, and yeah, he's just so realistic. Those eyes, and he looks really adorable with those innocent expression and that white hair and those eyebrows. It really looks cute. If you like cute things, I think you should get Hachi Pupu. I just adore his cute little expression, his sparkly eyes, that white hair, and those soft fur, and the embroidery, and the wired ears. It's just amazing, and that little bow adds to the cuteness of Haji Poo. And yeah, I love this one so much. And that cute bunny tail also looks cute and adds to his character. And yeah, the fur is really soft. This is the card that comes along with this. Comfy bunny, snuggle with you. Uh, that's the card, and that's the backside. So, and I forgot it comes with a like a carrot that he'll be holding in his hand. I forgot to add that, and yeah, that's the complete Hachi Poo Poo, and he looks really cute and adorable with his carrot. So yeah, that's Bunny Hachi Poo Poo. So yeah, he looks complete with his carrot, and yeah, he's comfy bunny Hachi Poo Poo, and yes, he's really really cute.